Welcome back to my channel. So straight to the video. Today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'll be using two different products, the eyebrow gel or cream and an eyebrow pencil. So I'll just be showing you how you can use both to get your beautiful sculpted eyebrows. Sit back and learn. If it's your first time or you're very new, you might want to do your eyebrows before your foundation, but if you already know how to do your eyebrows, you can go on and do your foundation before going on with your eyebrows. So I'll be using pencil on this part and I'll be using the eyebrow cream or gel on this part. So first off, your pencil, make sure it's sharpened, and then we'll go from the bottom before getting to the top, before going up to the top. So at first we have to go as light as possible, and if you can make it sharper than this, better. I usually hold at the tip and you go in lightly. Now I already have, like, my eyebrows are really filled up, so I just need to do little. But for those that have very few or very little, you can maybe apply more force. So this is all I'm doing. Now go over to the top. You can see I'm starting from this point instead of all the way from here. Now all I'm doing right now is just to do a little bit of fill in. You see, at this point, I'm doing the stroke upwards, just to imitate my hair. Now, after this, I usually go ahead and just brush. If you have a spray, this is like an old eyelash mascara brush. Then just brush it in. Then for the top, you brush down to take off the harsh line. So now for the eyebrow gel, you are going to be needing a brush, and we have to make sure the brush, the tip is really pointy, kind of. So I'll just go dab, dab. You need very little. So first off, I'll start with the middle and like make little lines, very faint, go all the way down, then back to the front. Then for the top, the same process, light strokes. Once again, we have to stop like here. And then you can see the space I have here. I'll just fill it into with the eyebrow gel. But you don't have to apply more. You can use what you have left on your brush to avoid the product to be too much. Once again, I'm going upwards. Then I go back in with my spoolie to brush. So now to kind of, we have to clean the edges. So I'm going in with my concealer. As usual, my C3 Revolution concealer. I usually don't go like extremely close because I want space to blend. So I would apply close but not exactly at the point. Then I have to go and start going up towards where I want to clean, because I don't want a very sharp line. Then I take it all the way up, and that is basically it. And then for the top, I do the exact same thing. I don't go too close. And I don't apply much product. Now it's time to blend. Now onto the next, I'll use a brush to blend this out. Just any brush of your choice. Just to make sure it blends into your skin. So you take your concealer and your brush, very pointed, like it has to be really pointed. Then you start creating lines. Just simple lines.